Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Descent G1. To begin, power on your device by holding the light button for about 2 seconds until the screen illuminates. You can then navigate through the various menus using the up and down buttons located on the left side. To select an option or confirm a setting, press the Start/Stop button on the top right. If you need to go back to a previous screen, simply press the back/lap button on the bottom right. This will get you started with the basic controls. Once you are familiar with the basic controls, it is time to set up your dive. From the main screen, access the Dive Setup menu. Here, you can choose your preferred dive mode, such as single gas, multi-gas, or gauge mode, depending on your dive plan. Remember to accurately adjust your gas mixtures, including oxygen percentages, which can be set up to 100%. Also, configure your safety stop depths and times, typically 3 minutes at 5 meters, for a safe ascent. During your dive, the Descent G1 provides crucial real-time information. You can easily monitor your current depth, total dive time, and your no decompression limit, ensuring you stay within safe parameters. The device also displays your ascent and descent rates, helping you maintain a controlled pace. For underwater navigation, utilize the built-in 3-axis compass. Furthermore, the watch provides clear audible and vibratory alerts for critical dive parameters, keeping you informed and safe throughout your underwater adventure. After surfacing, it is important to review your dive data. You can access your dive log directly on the device to see a summary of your recent dive. For a more detailed analysis, sync your dive data to the Garmin Dive app on your smartphone via Bluetooth. This allows you to analyze comprehensive dive profiles, including temperature changes and precise ascent rates. The app also helps you track your total number of dives and celebrate your personal bests, building a complete record of your diving journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.